Access provisioning is one of the most essential but time-consuming tasks that your IT team has to do. And it's not just IT's time that is spent provisioning. Your employees also end up waiting for access to the apps they need to get their work done. With manual provisioning processes, employees often don't know what access they need or whom to contact. They typically reach out to IT, who directs them to a portal to submit an access request. Then, they must wait for their manager's approval. If the IT team has admin access to the requested software, after a few clicks, the employee is granted access, or they have to wait for the associated team to provision the access. Apart from the time spent, manual provisioning also ends up posing significant security risks and incurring unwanted license costs. Your IT admins will have to configure complex workflows across different tools, and your security team may have to spend hours in a manual audit. In fact, we put a monetary value to the time that's being wasted, and the results are alarming. Let's assume that for an organization with 5,000 employees, each employee raises roughly 2 requests a year. Each request takes 15 minutes to be manually serviced. That's 2,500 hours of time that your IT team could have used on strategically important projects. If the median staff pay is $22 per hour, that's a total of $55,000 wasted on repetitive chores. And let's not overlook the cost of your employees being stranded and unable to access tools that they need to do their job 10,000 times a year. With Agentic AI, you can automate the entire provisioning workflow, giving your employees instant access while freeing your IT team to do strategic work. Let's see how. With Atomicwork, you can use our AI assistant Atom to provision access to your entire tech stack, integrating with your identity solution provider like Okta or Entra, and supporting non-SCIM apps as well. Your IT admin can start by connecting either Okta or Entra with Atomicwork. Instantly, all your applications sync into a centralized app catalog, automatically pulling in entitlements and owners from the identity provider. They can also add custom applications. From a single dashboard, admins can see and manage everything related to access management. They can view every app from the connected IDP, define app owners, and configure entitlements for each application. Admins can create global approval policies that apply across all apps. They can also define granular access policies that specify which user segments can access which entitlements. You can also set up approval workflows with flexible placeholders like app owner, so policies adapt automatically as ownership changes. This approach also automatically strengthens governance and audit processes for IT teams. Your IT team can see all access grants tied to each entitlement at a glance. They can track every change to apps, entitlements, and policies in comprehensive audit logs for complete compliance visibility. And the process is super simple on the end user side as well. Your employees can simply ask Atom on Slack, Microsoft Teams, or the browser for what they need in plain language. Let's say someone from your engineering team asks, "Can I get access to the GitHub design repo?" The AI agent understands the request, checks which entitlements they are eligible for based on your policies, and handles the entire provisioning process autonomously. Employees can even ask discovery questions like, "What role can I get for the design GitHub repo?" or "What's my current access in GitHub?" The agent provides instant answers and transparency into their access rights. If approval is needed, the request automatically routes to the right manager or app owner. If it's completely self-serve, access is granted immediately without any forms, portals, or follow-ups. That means no precious time spent waiting. And that's it. Automated provisioning ensures that your IT team saves time and money while eliminating all the grunt work needed to coordinate with stakeholders across different apps, all with minimal implementation effort. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below, and make sure to subscribe for more such automation tips.